Welcome to Healthcoin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Ginga Finance. What exactly they offer us. Ginga Finance is an innovative, decentralized cryptocurrency with instant rewards and real use cases. BNB Mixer, anonymous transaction, and BUSD reflection, the fastest dog, and much more. So you have here some different links how to buy. You can buy this token on hotbit.io. For sure they have a white paper. It's just a 12-sider, so if you are interested in some details about this project, just read it. It is easy to understand and everything you have to know is inside that white paper. The mixer. What exactly is the mixer? You can send here anonymously BNB while the receiver cannot see your address as sender, right? So the receiver don't know from where the BNB comes from. And this is a good invention. I like that especially, but that doesn't mean it's now very important for the project. The project is for sure the Ginga. You have a little history, and let's see what is the story about that. Ginga Finance was born from the love of cryptocurrency and manga. Originally Ginga the Shooting Star Jin, popular Japanese manga series. It was published by Shueisha in Weekly Shonen Jump from 83 to 87 and collected in 18 bound volumes. It received the 87 Shogakukan Manga Awards for the best series. It was licensed in North America by 2020 by Manga Planet. But very interesting here is the generous rewards. The contract distributes 6% of every buy and sell in BUSD automatically every hour for users holding more than 250,000 tokens. Simply hold Jin in your wallet and you'll earn BUSD. Sound good? Yes, it sounds very good, and I want to show you what exactly they mean, how this works. You can see here the FAQ. How does the fastest dog rewards work? You can read it here again. The fastest dog rewards gives you a chance to get paid in BUSD, but you have to be quick to claim it. When you connect your wallet holding Jing token to our dApp at Ginga Finance, you become eligible to claim rewards. Every hour, a button will appear on the screen that says run. The first person on the Ginga Finance network to press the button has the chance to earn 1% to 100% of the hourly BUSD reward earned within the smart contract. As the network grows, so do the rewards. We have put anti-bot measures in place to prevent people from gaming the system. We want a fair and safe environment for our community. Sounds nice. What exactly that means is you can go here on the dashboard, and the dashboard open the fastest dog. We have here the chance to connect our wallet, reward his friends with 354,000 US dollars. So this is right now in the pool, and you have a chance here. For example, after 6 minutes you have to click the button, and if you are one of the first, you can win here many rewards, and many rewards already people win. You can see here 8,900 Jin, 7,300 Jin, and so on, so on, so on. So it is a nice reward system. Be one of the fastest. Bots or other programs are not working, so nobody can cheat here really. And this is a fine a fine thing. I like it so much. Cannot say anything against this, right? And if we go further, we have here safe and secure. The Gin smart contract audited by Solid Group and the initial liquidity locked for 2 years to make a stable price floor. 1% of the buy-sell transaction automatically adds to Pancakeswap liquidity. We do everything to minimize the risk to zero from any bad actors. Marketing. Most important, marketing. For the moon mission, we had to create a marketing wallet to cover the expenses of marketing developments and CEX listings. The contract allocated a small portion of 1% from the buy and sell transaction for this purpose. All of the transactions will be fully transparent and we'll share our spending with the community. So guys, I don't want to bore you more with these details. Here you can find the roadmap and so on, and more FAQs, who is behind this project, and everything you want to know on this website. For sure, they have a Twitter account with over 10,000 followers right now, Telegram account, a Telegram group, sorry, with over 5,300 members. 514 are right now online. So what do you think about this project, guys? I like it. We have first the BNB mixer, so you can send here through that mixer anonymously cryptocurrency, that means BNB, to someone else, and the receiver don't know exactly who is sending that. And other side, we have here the fastest dog. This is a nice invention. You can every hour win here some tokens if you hold by yourself enough tokens, enough Gin tokens, right? So, and that's it for now, guys. Please tell me what you think about this project. Leave me a like and maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, guys, I wish you the very best profits and see you later, alligator. Bye.